Okay, go ahead. Go ahead and talk to Uncle.
Talking about toad.
Yeah, you want to tell him about your toad?
Toad.
Okay, tell him about your toad.
Toad.
What is it? What does it look like? What color?
It's green.
It's green?
Yes.
And what color is its belly? Do you remember?
It's orange.
That's right. Is it a cool toad?
Yes.
What does it do? What does it do? What does he do?
Eat bugs.
He eat bugs. Did we miss when he first ate the bug?
Yes.
And what did we say when we missed it?
Oh,
Oh man, we missed it. But then you got to see it after.
And go back.
Uh-huh. Do you know where we live?
Yes.
Where do we live? Do you know? How about where Uncle? Do you know where Uncle lives? Where does
Yes, Seattle, Washington.
Seattle, Washington. And where do we live?
Yes, California.
That's right. So we don't get to see Uncle as much as we want, do we?
Uncle coming.
Yeah, you want? Maybe he'll come and visit soon.
Yes.
Or maybe we'll go there and visit him.
Yes.
Yeah? Do you love Uncle?
Yes.
What do you do when you say, I love Uncle? What do you do? There goes your sticker. Should we go show Uncle the toad?
Yes.
Okay, let's go do that. Come on.
So Uncle Toad.
Yeah, let's go do it. Okay, where is it?
Right there.
Right here?
Hi, Toad.
Where do you think he is? Do you think he's sleeping?
No.
He's right there.
Wait. Toad, wait. You taking pictures, Toad?
No, I'm doing a filming. I'm filming for Uncle so he can see Toad. Anyways, that's where Toad is. He's in there. You can't really see him.
Hi, Toad.
Hi, Toad.
Where did it go?
I don't know. Okay, do you have anything else you want to say to Uncle?
Hi, Joey. This is the Toad. Hi.
Who is that?
Toad.
Was that Toad?
Your toad can talk? Toad can talk. Wow. Wake up, Toad!
Hello, Joey.
Oh my goodness.
Hello, Joey. Joey, hello.
Wow.
Wow, talking Toad. Dad, you have anything you want to say to Justin? Oh, wow.
How about them Olympics?
Oh, wow. Sports. Sports. The universal connection between you
Hello,
and everybody.
Justin. Good luck.
Good luck.
And have a nice day.
Wow.
It's time for lunch.
All right. Joey, come say goodbye to Uncle. Come say goodbye. Hello, where are you going? Dude. No, I need you to look at the camera and say goodbye, Uncle.
Bye, Uncle.
See you later, dude.
And Dad.
Bye.
Daddy's Uncle. Uncle coming.
You want to blow a kiss? Mwah.